Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Ages and ages ago I shared how to create this container. It started out glass and I stuck the container onto the base of a bit of wood. One, because I had chipped the base of the glass container and I didn't want to waste it, and also I wanted to make it a little bit sturdier and a little bit chunkier, and I just wanted it to have just lemons in, because I think that just lemons in a container, jug or a container anywhere in a home always looks lovely, and I love it on my kitchen counter. I also did a tray here. This is just a plastic tray, and I made the biggest mistake ever. I mixed this paint to suit because I wanted something that was a little bit warm between the two colorways, with the colors that I had there. When I decided I wanted a container, tip from me, just leave and reserve a little bit more paint, or paint a container, another container at the same time, so that you don't have... It annoys me because they don't match, but then again, nothing in nature's perfect, so why do I care? Anyway, that's enough of that. Right, the other thing is that, as I said, I love lemons, but when you cut them off the branch and bring them inside, the thing about the lemon leaves is they shrivel and they fall off, and in due course, so will the lemons. I wanted something that was just always constantly the same. Now from this one design, just with the lemons thrown into there, I can take that to another level and I can just put it onto the container, and a lot of the time I'll just store my fresh lemons onto there, and when the girls come over for a little bit of a gin on a Friday night or a Saturday, I've got the lemons sitting there, and it's just really lovely with the fresh and the artificial. Sometimes I put limes in, it just depends. Okay, now I've had requests asking what else do I put into this. Well, let me just share. I love dogwood, so I've got a few branches of dogwood, and when I insert them into the container, and I'm not going to cut anything at this stage, because that's the other thing I've been hearing is I don't want to cut asters because I might want to use them again. Well, that's okay. So going down and into here, just bring those up into your design. Doesn't matter that nothing is perfect, but you see that one there, see that's okay with that going that way and that going that way. This is not okay because it's too high. We need to bring what's happening up here down into the arrangement. So if you don't want to cut, that's fine. Just bend it in half and bring that down into there. Now look what's happening. Look at that. So you've got the white up there, but you've also got the white looking like it's coming up. The other reason why I'm using the white, even though it doesn't match in with anything, is there's zillions of whites, but you can interplay with the light and the colours. You can put many whites together, as long as, well, I was going to say if some whites are cool and some whites are warm, look, it doesn't matter. It's just from a distance, look, they all work together. And also that when you look at the little dogwood there, you've got that little wee orangey bit there, which is a reflection of the mandarins down here. And the yellow also connects through to the yellow of the lemon. Love it. Okay, now the next thing is that I like to use, and I love these Banksias. They are gorgeous. Okay, so I don't want to cut those, so I'm going to bring one up and over to there like so, and I'm going to bring the other one up and over to here. Now it's all looking exactly the same issue that I had before. I've got these big berthas up here, so I've got the big lemons, and I've got these big berthas, and I've got this white over here. That's not a very nice name, I didn't mean to say that, but you know, big forms. Now I need to bring those back down into the container. Just bend it and then insert that into there. Right, now look. And if you need to, just bend that in so that it goes more into the container, and use the leaves to give you a little bit more movement and to act as sort of like cages or little wee traps to hold your forms in place. Now, the other thing that's quite nice is we've got this yellow all happening up here. You need to bring that orange, back down into your design. I love berries. I love berries because berries just bring everything marry everything up. It's like salt and pepper, that seasoning at the end just brings everything together, and that can just sit there. So that is what I do. Now, there is no front, there is no back, and it doesn't matter, because that is just taken that design to a whole new level. And I would love some mandarins around there, but I think that'll do. I hope that I have solved a few of your design problems. And don't forget, if you follow me on Astar's Place at Instagram, you can direct message me. I like to help when and if I can. So I hope this has been of help to some of you with how to put your big forms together. Look forward to seeing you all again another day. Bye for now.